Hello, my name is Van Smith, Managing Partner here at Smith Strong, and today I'd like to talk to you about FINCEN, very controversial, FINCEN filing requirements for all Virginia business owners. If you are a part or full owner of a business or an investment property or an ongoing business and you're a portion owner or a full owner, the federal government back in 2024 has now imposed a requirement on you as a business owner. Even if it's just an investment property, you don't really feel like it's an active business, but it's held in an LLC or as a company, and you're a portion owner or a full owner, you must now file a FINCEN, F-I-N-C-E-N, a FINCEN filing registration citing that ownership interest. Very controversial. It has gone through the federal courts south of us here in Virginia and is now on appeal, and likely the Supreme Court will likely have to weigh in ultimately on this decision. In the meantime, we are being asked, because we represent hundreds of business owners across the Commonwealth of Virginia, do I need to file this? And I believe you do. I'm not saying that I believe this should be the law of the land. I know that is very controversial. But what I am saying is I'm interpreting in your guide through a very imperfect legal landscape. And part of that is calling out necessary truths. And for whatever reason, the federal government has imposed this on business owners. And we must comply with it until that compulsion is lifted. And even though it is on appeal, and there is hope for some business owners that it could be repealed and tossed out and the restriction go away, as it stands right now in 2025, FINCEN is the law of the land. So if you are a business owner or if you have an interest in an LLC, please call us for a brief 15-minute call to discuss your FINCEN filing requirements, and we can assist you for a low flat fee in ensuring that those filings are made timely to avoid very punitive filing fees and penalties if you do not comply in time. And so we can help you with those. It's our privilege to assist business owners on all sorts of setting up LLCs, serving as registered agents, setting up operating agreements, setting up buy-sell agreements, and succession planning. And we see this as just a natural extension of all of that. If you have questions on FINCEN filing, or if you'd like us just to handle it because you're busy running your business, we get it. We can hop on a quick call, outline what's needed, and take care of it for you. Give us a call today at Smith Strong. We can help you anywhere in the Commonwealth of Virginia, right here from our offices where I'm speaking in Richmond. Take care and thanks for your time.